be here. Mountain dump truck.
We're here, Mountain Dump Truck.
Here at the summit. Mountain shit pile.
Came here after work. I can't believe I summited in time.
Trying to take in the views while we got it. We got a little bit of light left.
Rumors are we got 24 inches out on the mountain today, so I think that should be getting some good white room out here. You know, face shots all day.
Oh, get some face. Get some white room. You know, that's what I'm hoping for out here. Say these glades over here look decent.
Yeah, we got some nice space, deciduous trees. Let's drop.
There's just so many lines to take.
They're everywhere.